exercise. Find the professors who are active and have a salary greater than 7,000. Now here we are going to use logical operators. We have been asked find the professors who are active or have a salary equal to 7,000. And lastly we have been asked find the professor whose department ID is not 3. Okay, let's try to solve all these questions. I have copied these questions and we're going to solve one by one. And this is going to be from the professor management database and the table name is professor. Now very first question is who are active and salary is greater than 7,000. Let's write down select all columns from professors table, and now here condition where, and we are going to use logical operator. If you see here there are two conditions. First condition, professors who are active, so status is here, status is equal to active and is your operator, and after that you are saying salary is greater than, okay, let me copy this one, and after that semicolon. Two conditions you use and, first condition, second condition, and add. Let's execute this one. Okay, all are these active and their salary is greater than 7,000. Okay, this looks correct. Let's solve the next question. Here professors who are active and have salary equal to 7,000. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna copy this one, and here we have been asked who are active or, now you write or here, and salary equals to 7,000. Just put the equal sign. Now we'll get one of these condition true. Here both conditions were true. Now let's execute this one. Okay, if they are active, that's fine. Here if you see, this is inactive but other condition is true, so one of the condition must be true. Okay, again see here 7,000, so this condition is true, this is false. So this is how it executes. Alright, last question we are going to find is find the professors whose department ID is not 3. How you going to do that? Just copy this code because we have to just change not and department ID column equals to 3. What you do here, you just put the condition department ID is 3 and not, you put previous not keyword, and now you will get all the records except 3 reverse values. Let's execute this one. Department ID, if you see 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, but we do not have 3, so we'll never have 3 because we are getting reverse value, right, because of the not operator. That's all for this exercise guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.